Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam and this series of PTC Creo Parametric. In our today's video, we will start with another tool which is round. And let's start with auto round tool. So without further ado, let's get started. So here you can see we already have open PTC Creo Parametric modeling environment. And let's click here on model, and then in engineering there is an option called round. Just click on down arrow and here you will find auto round. Let's click on that. Now here what we need to do is just to click OK, and before actually I click OK, let's define the value of auto round. So let's make it 2.5 mm, and now let's hit enter, and in the last let's click OK. And there we go guys, we can see our whole picture or whole body is now in a round shape. So there is no sharp edges or area left. But this is not the way you wanted it to be. You would like to exclude these holes. In that scenario, we can again go to auto round and then we can define exclude edges. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select all these edges of these holes that I would like to exclude, and don't forget to press Ctrl button to multiple select entries. Now after selecting all these edges of holes, now let's click OK. And this time guys, we can see we have created this perfect auto round except the edges of holes. So in this way guys, you can utilize auto round and quickly alter and create rounded featured parts. That's all guys from my side in this quick video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.